Kingdom of Vijayanagara. During the region of Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq of Delhi, there was many revolts in the south against the central power of Delhi. So there was many people who came from the Sultan of Muhammad bin Tughlaq from Delhi side, and they were having the revolts in the Delhis, and they were having the power actually over there from the south. From these revolts arose from the formidable Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom. So they were having the fight of Vijayanagara, and they have arose and they were having a revolt. Revolt means they were having some of the reforms to made a new kingdoms in the area of Vijayanagara. The brothers Harihar and Buka from South India were Sardars in service of the Delhi Sultanate. Taking advantage of the stability from the south region of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, they founded the kingdom of Vijayanagara in the south. So they have founded the kingdom of Vijayanagara, and they have taken the help, or they have taken the instability from the Sultanate of Sardar in Delhi. Vijayanagara in the south, 1336 CE, Hampi in today's Karnataka, and Hampi is there in the Karnataka side, was the capital of kingdom. So capital of kingdom was Hampi of Karnataka. Harihar was the first king of Vijayanagara. So Harihar was the first king in the Karnataka side of Vijayanagara. Harihar was succeeded by his brother Buka. Buka brought the region up to Rameshwar under his control. So Buka has helped his brother, and he has taken the region of Rameshwar under his control, and he has given that region. Okay, he will be conquered by from people from that regions. Krishna Dev Rai ascended the throne of Vijayanagara in 1509 CE. He conquered Vijayawada and Rajmahendri and extended the region to his kingdom. So Krishna Dev Rai was a person who has succeeded many things from the regions of Vijayawada, and he was also defeated some of the armies and sultan under his leadership, like Bahmani Sultan and Muhammad Shah. He was conquered under his leadership. During Krishna Dev Rai region, the kingdom of Vijayanagara extended from Cuttack in the east up to Goa in the west. So he has also expanded, and he has extended the Vijayanagara from Cuttack to the east side of Goa in the west, and from the Raichur Dab in the north up to the Indian Ocean in the south. So these are the region he have conquered, and he has extended. Who has extended? Krishna Dev Rai, and because of his dominance, because of his skill and caliber, he was the successful leader. Krishna Dev Rai was a scholar, means he was a scholar, he was a talented person actually. He wrote Amukta Malyada, a Telugu compendium on polity. So he has written some of the information, and he has written some literature actually. The Hazar Ram temple and Vittal temple are built in Vijayanagara during his region. So during his region of Vijayanagara, he had made the two temples which was named as Hazar Ram temple and Vittal temple during his region. His decline of the Vijayanagara kingdom begin with the death of Krishna Dev Rai. So when he began with the death of Krishna Dev Rai, that was a decline of Vijayanagara kingdom in 1565 CE at Talikot in the present state of Karnataka. There was a battle between Adil Shahi, Nizam Shahi, Qutub Shahi, Baris Shahi on one side and Vijayanagara on the other side. So he was having a actually battle between some of the kings, and he was also having a battle of Vijayanagara region. Vijayanagara was defeated. So Vijayanagara he has defeated. Thereafter the dominance of Vijayanagara comes to an end. So his dominance comes to an end at the Vijayanagara region. Next is the Bahmani kingdom. So Bahmani kingdom is how the people came, how they were expansion, and how they were having some of the people, like some of the regions, some of the kings, and how the Bahmani kingdom were established, and who was the king actually took the initiative of making those kingdom. We'll see. While Muhammad bin Tughlaq was still reigning, some of the Sardars in the Deccan in the rebellion against him. So there was some person like Sardar, some of the Sardars were against him of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The leader of the Sardars, Hasan Gangu, defeated the army of Sultan of Delhi. So Hasan Gangu has defeated the army of Sultan in Delhi. The new kingdom was established, and that kingdom was Bahmani kingdom. Came to an extent in the year 1347 CE. So this kingdom became the expansion of and established in 1947 CE. Hasan Gangu became the first of Sultan in the Bahmani kingdom. He made the city of Gulbarga in Karnataka his capital. So Gulbarga is in capital of Karnataka. He has made, who has made? The Sultan has made, because he has defeated some of the king, like Hasan Gangu has defeated of Sultan, and because of that what he achieved, he has achieved the Gulbarga in Karnataka, and he also made the capital of Karnataka. That was the actually called as a Bahamani kingdom. So that was the information of Bahamani kingdom, and because of the Hasan Gangu, that Gulbarg was become a capital in Karnataka. So hope you have understood this, some information about the dynasty of different regions. Next we will see the Muhammad Gawan information.